There was a lush green jungle where a cute little elephant named Bunty lived. Bunty was very strong and always felt proud of his strength. He often said, "I am the strongest. I don't need anyone." Hearing this made his friends, Chiku the parrot and Mina the myna, feel sad. Chiku the parrot gently said, "Bunty, strength alone is not everything." Suddenly, a strong storm came into the jungle, and small birds began falling from the trees. Mina the myna cried out in fear, "Bunty, please help!" Bunty quickly ran forward and used his trunk to save the little birds. At that moment, Bunty realized his mistake and said, "Today I understand that helping others is very important." All the animals became happy and learned that everyone has a different kind of strength, but kindness and friendship are the greatest strengths of all.